Welcome to Kunzy Podcast English, where inspiration meets the power within you. Have you ever wondered what truly sets successful people apart from those who fail? Join me as we uncover the secrets, stories, and valuable lessons that will help you become unstoppable on your life's journey. Let's get started. The game of life. Are you ready to play your hand? Life, isn't a straight path. It's a challenging, ever-changing game full of surprises. Every day you wake up is a new chance to step onto the field, holding the cards you've gathered, your skills, knowledge, and mindset. But the most important thing isn't what cards you have, it's how you play them. Do you have the courage to face challenges, to rise after every fall, and to keep moving forward? This game isn't for the faint-hearted. It's for those who persevere, who turn failures into lessons, and who transform dreams into real action. And never get trapped in the comparison game. When you look at others and think they're faster, have more, or are better, remember this simple truth. Everyone's life is a unique journey, a game with different rules. You don't have to be better than others. Just be better than who you were yesterday. Every small step adds up to a big change. When you focus on yourself, you'll become stronger, more confident, and full of life. Let me tell you this. Sometimes you need to be bad, but not in the way you usually think. Bad here means daring to break social norms. Daring to live your truth, daring to walk the path your heart guides you, even if it's unlike anyone else's. It's in that badness that you find freedom, creativity, and hidden strength you may never have discovered. When you stop fearing judgment and stop worrying about fitting in, that's when you truly explode with power and truly live your own way. You weren't born to live a mediocre life, passing quietly and boringly by, but to do something extraordinary. Everyone has a mission, a path to walk, and a story to tell. Life is yours, and you have every right to write that story the way you want. A story full of inspiration, challenges, and passion. So, are you ready? Ready to step out of your comfort zone? To take the cards life deals you and play the biggest hand you'll ever play. Ready not just to live, but to live brightly, fiercely, and meaningfully. Start today, because life waits for no one. Become unstoppable. Did you know that the greatest people in the world, names like Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Cristiano Ronaldo, were once seen as failures, doubted by society, even mocked and insulted? They weren't born into glory. Their success came from relentless perseverance, courage to face failure, and the ability to rise every time they fell. Those pains and setbacks, which seemed to block their path, actually became powerful fuel driving them forward. They didn't let pain defeat them. They transformed it into motivation to break through every limit. Your life will face similar challenges. You might encounter rejection, doubtful eyes, harsh criticism, and moments when you feel exhausted and discouraged. At those times, you only have two choices. Either sit and complain, blaming fate and waiting for a miracle, or throw yourself into hard work until every problem is solved. The path to success isn't for quitters. It's for those who can endure, who are determined and persistent enough to overcome all obstacles. Remember, you are the leader of your own life. Don't wait for someone to hand you opportunities, because opportunities don't always come knocking. You must actively create them through your own effort and actions. Every day you live is a new chance to build the life you want, to move closer to your dreams. When you feel tired and ready to give up, look back to the reason you started. That is the sacred flame. The fuel that helps you stand up, keep going, and fight with all your heart. Becoming unstoppable is not easy, and it's not for everyone. It's only for those brave enough to face challenges, passionate enough to overcome pain, and persistent enough to finish the journey no matter how tough. It's the path of winners, those who keep growing, keep changing, and always move forward with strong faith in themselves. Are you ready to become unstoppable? Ready to break through every barrier, shatter every limit, and create the life you've always dreamed of? Stand up, regain your strength, and start your own journey today. Because only when you keep moving forward will you truly win the game of life. The world belongs to you. You were not born just to exist, to drift through each day mindlessly. You were born to win, to take control of your own life, and to leave an unforgettable mark on this world. Life is never meant for those who simply accept fate. It belongs to those who dare to stand up, face challenges head-on, and reach for greatness. Success never comes from comfort zones or playing it safe. Instead, it belongs to those brave enough to step beyond their comfort, to confront difficulties, and to do what others avoid because of fear. Do you know what is truly valuable? It's the things that scare you, the challenges that seem impossible to overcome, the limits you once believed you couldn't break. Because when you conquer that fear, you step closer to becoming the strongest version of yourself. Start your day by waking up a little earlier. People say, whoever controls the morning controls the day. Morning is a precious time when everything is quiet and your mind is fresh and full of energy. This is when you can plan, set directions, and prepare to turn all your goals into reality. Waking up early not only gives you an edge in the race against time, but also trains your willpower, builds discipline, and ignites the fire of determination for the day ahead. Don't let yourself be swayed by gossip, judgments, or others' opinions. Everyone has their own journey. You don't need to live by anyone's standards or expectations. Focus on yourself, on your goals, and nurture the burning dreams in your heart. When you live fully for yourself, you will experience true freedom and unlimited energy. One of the most important secrets to success is deep work, dedicating 4 to 5 hours every day to fully focus on mastering a single skill. Learn to control it from the smallest details to the highest level of expertise. There is no shortcut to mastery, only persistence, focus, and passion. When you truly dive deep, you create unique value and become irreplaceable. Finally, never forget to take care of your body every day. A healthy body is not only the foundation for physical health, but also the source of confidence and mental strength. A body full of energy will help you face challenges, overcome pressure, and maintain a strong spirit in every circumstance. This world is vast and full of opportunities, but it only belongs to those courageous enough to seize them. Remember, you are not a bystander. You are the main player, the master of the game. Walk forward with belief, determination, and a passionate heart, because this world and all its greatest wonders belong to you. Discipline and mastery. There is a secret shared by most successful people around the world. They start their day much earlier than you might think. Waking up early is not just a habit. It's the key to unlocking a productive and energized day. When you master your morning, waking up on time, using those first hours to plan, think deeply, and prepare mentally, you are mastering the entire day. Morning is when your mind is clearest, your focus sharpest, and if you don't waste it, everything else becomes easier. But to achieve this, you need discipline, not just for a few days or weeks, but a long-term commitment to yourself. Discipline doesn't mean restriction. It means setting boundaries to focus fully on what matters most: your work, goals, and personal growth. One of the biggest mistakes people make is getting caught up in other people's business, being influenced by gossip, comparisons, and social pressure. Stop that today. Focus completely on yourself, what you are pursuing, and who you want to become. Only when you dedicate all your energy to yourself can you go far and truly stand out. Next, learn to do deep work. That state where you are fully focused, undistracted, dedicating at least 4 to 5 hours a day to mastering an important skill. Those who master one skill, whether it's professional expertise, communication, creativity, or management, are the ones who dominate their own world. They are not lucky. They invest time, intellect, and passion to turn the impossible into reality. When you become a master in a field, you not only have exceptional value, but also create a powerful influence no one can take away. Finally, don't forget that physical health is the solid foundation for every success. A healthy body provides endless energy to face challenges, boosts confidence, and keeps your spirit strong in difficult times. Taking time to exercise every day is more than just physical activity. It's a way of sending love, respect, and care to yourself in the fullest way. When your body is healthy, your mind is clear, your will is strong, and you're ready to conquer every peak in life. Discipline and mastery are not easy, but they are the only path to becoming the best version of yourself. Start with small habits. Wake up early, focus on deep work, and take care of your health every day. Because when you master yourself, you are the master of your life. And that life is reserved only for those who have the courage, willpower, and discipline to rise and shine. The journey of rising up and life lessons. Life is not a straight path, nor is it an easy journey. It is a challenging game where every day we must battle ourselves, face invisible pressures, doubts, failures, and fears yet to be discovered. But the miracle lies in the fact that within those difficulties and challenges, we find the strength to rise, to grow, and to create a life worthy of our deepest dreams and aspirations. Looking back at the entire journey we've explored together, the greatest lesson is that you are the leader of your own life. No one else can play this game for you, nor decide where you will end up unless you take control yourself. Life waits for no one, and every moment that passes is a unique opportunity for you to move forward or fall behind. The choice is yours. Keep waiting for opportunity or create opportunity for yourself. The most important thing is to never compare yourself to others. This is one of the most dangerous traps that many people fall into, causing self-doubt, discouragement, and sometimes giving up halfway. Everyone's life is a unique journey with different rules and rhythms. You don't have to be better than anyone else. You only need to be better than who you were yesterday. Even a small step forward accumulates into significant change. When you focus on yourself, you discover an inner power you may never have realized before. An essential part of success is daring to be bad. Not in the negative sense, but daring to break free from limits, social norms, and live authentically. Only when you have the courage to do that can you find freedom, creativity, and a burning passion. Living according to patterns makes you fade and lose your unique identity. But living true to yourself, daring to be different, daring to stand out and chase your dreams, that is the path to the extraordinary. Moreover, the greatest people in the world have all experienced failure, doubt, and ridicule. Steve Jobs was once fired from the company he founded. Elon Musk failed many times. Cristiano Ronaldo was criticized in his youth. But their common trait is never giving up. They turn pain and hardship into motivation to rise stronger. Life always gives you two choices: complain about difficulties or work relentlessly to overcome them. The smartest choice is to become the leader of your own life, the one who doesn't wait for luck but creates opportunities, writing your own success story. Alongside perseverance and courage, a positive attitude is shown by how you face challenges. Don't be afraid to do the hard things, because those are the things worth doing and that make the difference. Waking up early, working deeply, and focusing on mastering a key skill will help you build a solid foundation for success. Controlling your morning means controlling your life. When you master your habits, energy, and mindset, you gain the strength to overcome any barrier. Physical health cannot be overlooked on this journey. A strong body not only provides the energy to fight daily, but is also a solid foundation that builds confidence and mental toughness. The body and mind are closely connected, supporting each other so you can be resilient and strong in the face of life's storms. From these lessons, a profound truth emerges. Success is not a destination, but a long, enduring journey. It requires discipline, focus, courage, and a constant willingness to learn. Every day you wake up with a new determination and will is a day closer to your goal. If you feel tired or want to give up, remember why you started. Let that passion and those burning dreams become the endless fuel that pushes you forward along this rocky path. Success is not for the faint-hearted. It's for those who rise every time they fall. For those who never stop learning and improving themselves. Life is the game you must play every day. Play it with all your strength and passion, with all your persistence and determination. Be the one who makes your own rules, the leader of your own life with a fiery heart and iron will. Never let fear or doubt stop you. Finally, remember that you were not born to live an ordinary life, but to achieve extraordinary things. Every day you wake up is an opportunity to make a difference, to move closer to your dreams, to continue writing your own story in an inspiring, challenging, and meaningful way. Life waits for no one, and there is no perfect manual for this game. It all lies in your hands. Be brave, be persistent, and live a life you can be proud of when you look back. Are you ready? Start today, from this very moment, to play the greatest hand of your life and become an unstoppable winner. If you found this sharing inspiring and helpful, don't forget to like and share to spread positive energy to more people. And please subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more inspiring content coming your way. Every bit of your support is a huge motivation for me to keep accompanying you on your journey of self-development. Thank you so much.